Hi, my name's Gary Lombardo, and I'm on the marketing team at Demandware, responsible for mobile, multi-channel, and social commerce. One of the exciting things we've been working on at Demandware is ways that you, the retailer, can make your commerce sites more engaging to consumers in new and exciting ways. What I'd like to do today is show you one way in which we're doing so, namely with site pinning using IE9 Explorer or Internet Explorer 9. IE9 Site Pinning is one of the latest projects we've been working on at Demandware Labs, which is a part of Demandware focused on prototyping the latest innovations in e-commerce on the Demandware platform. We've taken the capabilities of site pinning in IE9 and created innovative ways that they can be used on top of Demandware. IE9 Site Pinning is available today to Demandware customers for use in their Demandware environment. You can visit http://labs.demandware.com for more information, including downloading the code to put it in your Demandware environment, or you can come to demandware.com, come to the Labs tab, and you can see a list of the various projects that we're working on at Labs, including IE9 site pinning, which you can click here to learn more about the project. So before jumping in, let's cover why you'd want to use site pinning as a retailer. So site pinning lets you take your website outside of the web browser and pin it or put it where the majority of users launch their favorite applications in Windows, namely the taskbar, as you see down here on my Windows machine. This reinforces loyalty with your best customers and makes your site more visible or sticky and actionable for them, including it making it easier for them to transact with you. Site pinning also lets your website behave more like a native application by providing native-like capabilities such as notification options, actionable thumbnail preview, and right mouse click menu options, all while on the web, and we'll see some of that in action in a second. In short, site pinning allows for greater consumer engagement and measurable results with minimal development. So let's have a look. So I'm going to come over here to a sample page that we've created for Demandware customers. This is Site Genesis. For non-Demandware customers, this is just a demo site that we've created to help demonstrate the capabilities of IE9. So you can just imagine this being at your retail site with your branding and all of your products displayed here. So one of the first things you'll notice when I come here, that when I get IE9 implemented on the site, is a pre-built banner that's displayed up here. So what this does is allow you to give a quick and easy way for shoppers to discover how to pin your site. Since site pinning is a relatively new concept to a lot of consumers, having this notification there is useful for driving adoption. All the information here, this text in the icon is fully customizable by you. In fact, you can turn off this site pinning capability or this banner altogether if you didn't want it here. So if I'm a shopper, I come here, I see this notification, it'll encourage me to take the application and pin it to my taskbar. And let me try that one more time. And there we go. Looks like I captured that here, and you'll see the first thing you'll see is it actually becomes pinned to my taskbar, and just like any other application that I've got here, whether it be PowerPoint or Microsoft Exchange or other applications that I've got on my taskbar. And typically this is where users put the most frequently accessed or their favorite applications, and in this case it'll be your website, and it'll allow them to, if they actually pin it there, that means they're actually granting you permission and listing you as one of their favorite sites. So by just doing that alone, it's showing that there's a high level of brand loyalty. Plus, it's going to allow you at this point to be able to interact with them with greater ease. So let's talk about some ways that you can actually do that. One of the things you'll notice here is I've got this notification overlay with this yellow number 2, and what that is doing is telling me that there's some sort of action that I need to take, or it's a way for me to catch my attention and tell me that there's things that are available to me to do. You could set these notifications around certain actions or when new content is available, such as new products, promotions, or just to remind them they get items in their cart. Again, all of that is completely configurable in under your control. So another capability that I think is interesting to look at is the thumbnail preview controls. If I come here and hover over, you'll see that I got the hover over just like I would with any other application. I can actually see the site, plus there's these shortcuts for different things that I can do, such as go to my home, my account, my wish list, or my cart. Again, all of these are configurable by you. So if I click on cart, I'll actually be brought to my cart page, so I can see what products are actually in my cart. Here I've got 2, which matches the number that you see here for notifications. You know, and if I didn't have anything in my cart, then it would, in this case, it would show me 0. These notifications right now is set up to show when items are in the cart. So if I'm interested in actually continuing to shop, I might come here, be brought back to the home page with this action shortcut, and I might want to add another product to my cart. Say I'm interested in these gloves. I could just easily add them to my cart. Come here and view cart. Let me come back here. And so what actually happens if I just wait a second, I will see that this number has actually changed to a 3 down here. So that means I've got 3 items in the cart now. Since I had 2 before and I added these gloves, that now makes 3 at this point. So a pretty interesting way to engage consumers, as you can see. Another way to actually that site pinning makes your website more act like a native application is with quick action jump lists. So if I come here and right click, just like I would on any other application pinned to my taskbar, you can see there's a variety of different actions that I can actually take here. Again, all of these are configurable by you, the retailer. You can set up static jump lists, which will bring the consumer to common sites they may want to go to, such as your brand's Twitter account, your brand's Facebook page, account wish list, etc. Again, these are similar to the action items we had before. Or you could set up dynamic lists as well, which will pull your users to, or your shoppers to, specific content pages on your website, such as page promoting personalized deals, trending topics, or product subpages, such as I'm actually showing here. So if I come here and click on electronics, I'm brought to a category product page. Again, you can, for instance, if say you had a deal of the day site set up, or an additional site within the framework of your website, you could actually have that as listed as a dynamic site over here as the user does a right click. Again, pretty neat, nifty feature that allows them to quickly navigate different parts of your application, all within the pinned site, and in a quick and easy way. So I hope everything I've shown you here today gives you a good sense of how we're enabling you to reinforce loyalty with your best customers and make your site more visible, sticky, and actionable, including and make it easier for consumers to transact with you. If you'd like to learn more about IE9 Site Pinning, please visit labs.demandware.com. Or if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us or to me personally at glombardo@demandware.com. Thank you for your time.